Hi everybody, welcome back to my another video. So let's talk about how to fix Meetup event not showing. So to fix the Meetup event that isn't showing, you can start by checking your email. If you use multiple emails, you may be logged into a different profile. So just go to your profile settings to verify the email address connected to your RSVP or subscription. Now you might be also banned or removed if an organizer removes you from a group, or if the group was shut down entirely, its events will disappear from your calendar. You can just try searching for the group publicly to see if you still have access. Now the next what you can do is refresh your session. Just open your Meetup app and then tap on Home tab at the bottom left corner. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then go to Settings. Now scroll down to Log Out and then immediately log back in. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find Meetup and make sure that you're running the latest version of the Meetup app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.